The things that I've really been thinking about are one, recognizing the behavior that you want to see from your team and then really publicly praising it. And the specific thing I've done is whenever I have engineers asking you like, hey, why are we even working on this? Or like, won't this not be the right thing for the customer? Or won't this design, isn't this not quite right? And sometimes it can be really frustrating because they will often not have the right context. And then it'll be like, oh my God, like I just want to ship this thing and these people are asking questions. But thinking about that as like an extremely positive behavior of like, hey, here's someone in the organization who's like actually trying to dig into like, why are we doing what we're doing? Just being like, hey, thank you so much for asking. That's a great question. And really encouraging that discussion in a public place, which kind of gets to my second tactical tip, which is taking a lot of the conversations that I used to have with the PMs on my team about like, here's what we're doing, and just moving that to channels where the engineers and the designers on the team can see it. And so tactically what that's meant is I've actually changed my one-on-one cadence. So I have much fewer one-on-ones with PM. Realistically, if I have weekly one-on-ones with someone, we're not going to talk career development and coaching and feedback every single week. And so we get into a lot of like, okay, what are you working on? How are you thinking about it? And so what I've done is I've moved a lot of those conversations to this meeting cadence that we have now every Monday called 3-on-3s, where it's my engineering counterpart and my design counterpart, so our head of engineering, our head of design, meeting with the PM and designer on each of our teams, and then doing a lot of that project level discussion